So to add the Transpose Chrome extension, you're just going to use the link, or you could go to the Chrome web store and just search Transpose. And this is the icon here. Look for that. Then all you have to do is click Add to Chrome. So this only works for Chromium, I think it's called, based browsers. So Safari won't work, and Mozilla Firefox. There's a couple others that are not Chrome based, but there's lots of Chrome based browsers, so it's very likely you're already using one. And if not, just download Google Chrome and use it just for this purpose. So what you do is you click Add to Chrome, and then it'll add the extension. It'll show up over here, and then you just want to go to this little icon here, and then click this pin icon, and that will just make it show up. So now what you can do is whenever you're playing a video, you can actually transpose. And the power of that is if you're trying to find the right key for your voice, you can do all that. You don't need to know how to play an instrument. You can just do this and find, okay, I really like it at -5, or I really like it at 5 up or 3 down. So these are semitones. So what you would do to tell your accompanist what key you want to do it in, you just say, okay, it's this recording, but 2 semitones up, or it's this recording and it's 6 semitones up, or 5 semitones down. So that's all you need to know, and that's all you need to understand to do it. There's some other handy features here. So this might be applicable to people that are trying to transcribe music, where you can change the pitch. So a lot of times old recordings will be a little bit flat. So what you can do is just make just go up just a little bit so it'll match standard tuning, so that you don't have to keep retuning your guitar. So I use that a fair amount. Also, if you're dealing with some heavy metal or trying to play Stevie Ray Vaughan stuff that's tuned a half step down, you can just use the transpose feature to tune it a half step up, so you don't have to retune your guitar, which just can kind of speed things up a little bit. So so all you have to do is download Transpose. I would make sure that you pin it so that you can always see it. Sometimes it's a little janky and you have to reload the page. So if it doesn't show up, I would just reload the video and then try it a couple more times. And eventually it should pick it up that you're trying to change the key. But generally it works pretty seamlessly.